Hey, can I give you $12,000 out of my own pocket just for being on this page for exactly 2 minutes? Yes, 2 minutes from now, from my own pocket. And no, you don't have to do anything for it. But that's not all. In the next 7 minutes, well, 7 minutes and 11 seconds to be exact, you can also get another $15,500 just like this. And guess what? If you think you're going to need another $15,500 or more tomorrow, you can press that special button again, over and over, for as many days as you want, because it's free. Yes, free. You can do it as many times as you want, whenever you want, as it won't cost you a single cent. Zero, nada, niente. Free. 100% free. No catch. You don't owe me anything ever. As a matter of fact, you don't even need my help. You don't need anybody else's help. You can stop talking to me right after I give you what I'm about to give you, and you'll still get to make $15,500 per day. Your life is about to change forever. As simple as that. Just take a look at this. Let me show you something that I never showed anybody else before. Do you see that? I get $15,500 deposits several times per day, every single day, over and over again. And that account can be yours within the next 7 minutes and 11 seconds without you doing a single thing. Now, think about this. $15,500 or more per day equals to about $1 million in your pocket within only 2 short months from now. That is the closest thing to turning into a millionaire overnight. Now, stop for a second. I want you to start thinking about all the things you ever wanted for you, your family, your friends, because it's about to happen. Can you imagine making $1 million in the next few months? How are you going to feel? Well, if you agree with me that this is one of the best things that could ever happen to you, get ready, because it is about to happen. The clock is ticking. I only asked you for a few minutes of your time, and I'll keep my promises. Always. Now, a minute of the 2 minutes of your time I'd asked you has already passed by. This means I only have another minute, which is all I really need from you. What I want to do whilst you're here on this page is log into my private server and show you just what happens live, right in front of your eyes, and in just 1 minute. After that, you're about to get something very special from me. Just as I mentioned at the beginning, something worth $12,000. No kidding, a real $12,000. I've now logged into my server and want to activate it whilst you're here watching. It only takes a click of a button, so I can do that for you live on camera. This is a secret server that only Covert Society members have access to, and it's highly encrypted to avoid the rest of the world getting their hands on it. It works on the background, instantly plugged into Money account, and I can now log into my account and refresh it live. Within a short minute, the software we have running in the Covert Society private members area generates piles of cash for me, 100% on autopilot, even whilst I'm here talking to you. Whilst everybody else is busy wasting their money in markets that are easily controlled and manipulated by Wall Street, or trying their luck with useless softwares and systems being peddled by con artists all over the internet, we are laughing our way to the bank at the speed of light and generating $15,500 paydays and more within 1 minute. Just a single minute. And now, here's the great news. This is what you will be doing yourself within the next few minutes. I'll tell you exactly what you need to do. And don't worry if you know nothing about trading or making money online. You don't need any trading or computer skills. If you're watching this video, that means you have access to an internet connection, and that's all you really need. And by the way, in case this is not clear yet, I am not here to try to take your money. As a matter of fact, you don't need any money at all, because I'm handing you $12,000 to get you started, just like I promised you before. You see, the Covert Society is a very tight circle of wealthy people that has grown over the years. People who know very well the value of the secret server and system that I created and are prepared to pay me money, a lot of money, because they are savvy and wealthy investors that can see when a great opportunity is in front of their eyes and are happy to pay me big bucks to get their foot in the door. The Covert Society members are currently making an average of $22,800 per day from our software. You'll get to meet some of these members live in just a few minutes. Most of them don't really like to be on camera and don't like for people to know who they are. but some of them have actually agreed to show their faces and the live accounts where their software is plugged into, updated in real time. Members of the Covert Society pay me $1,000 per month on server fees, and believe me, and we ask for a full year in advance as we have a long waiting list for it, and we only deal with people who are serious about making money. Yes, that means to get their hands on this, it costs them $12,000 upfront, and they still need to be waiting up to 6 months before their application is finally accepted and start making the kind of money I showed you before. And believe me, that is the best money they have ever spent, and they would have been happy to pay 10 times more to get access to this. But as they say, you need money to make money. This is why the rich gets richer and the poor stays poor. Pretty sad, I know, but this is the truth. I mean, this kind of opportunity rarely happens to the small, regular guys. They normally are not even aware of stuff like this. Nobody tells them about it. I bet chances are that before you receive this special invitation, you had never even heard of the Covert Society. I just made my point, and don't worry, it's not your fault. Nobody in the know shares this kind of information. Now, even though you can agree with me that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, I fully understand that if you're on this page right now, you probably don't have that kind of cash. You finally cracked the code. You came across something that really works and barely anybody talks about. But chances are you don't have $12,000 laying around to get in. So I've decided to give back. As I was once in that very same position, a smart and honest man trying to change my life, but nobody would give me a chance. So I want to give you that $12,000 that will help you change your life for good. I'm going to give you access to Covert Society and the secret software generating millions of dollars per month to our members for free. Absolutely free, just as I promised. This will change your life instantly. For the first time in the history of the Covert Society, I will be paying the $1,000 per month fee out of my own pocket for you. You're getting this for free, and you will never have to pay a single cent ever. So congratulations, my friend. You are about to start taking home some huge cash too, today. The money is ready for you right now, right on the secret members page where our software is hosted. You're only a few short minutes away from making money, and I don't want anything in return. Nobody would ever do something like that, because they simply can't. But I can afford to, and I have a good reason for it. But first of all, who am I? My name is George Cox, and I am the creator of the secret software for the Covert Society. And yes, as you can imagine from what I've just shown you, I am rich, very rich because of that. Just take a look at this. I just want to quickly log into one of my bank accounts that I just opened less than 1 year ago. A savings account I've opened just to deposit the money that I make from the secret software that we're using here in the Covert Society. On this account, you can see there is $27,655,800 in it. This is the money I've been withdrawing from the trusted broker I use for my system during the last year. This is not some bogus screenshot from one of the many scam sites you have come across all over the internet. This is 100% real and verifiable, because the trades made by the Covert Society are posted in the members area and updated in real time. So you can go ahead and verify this with your own eyes once you get access to the members area. This is a serious business for which multi-millionaire customers pay $1,000 per month, and it's treated as such. Everything is crystal clear and right in front of everybody's eyes. This is the reason why people wait as long as 6 months to get in, and they have to be recommended by older members to even be considered. As a matter of fact, once you become a member, you can jump on a call with me at any time. You'll get my cell phone number. I'm available 24/7. Making you money is my job. And so that you know, this account I just showed you is not the software company account. I've actually been showing you my personal account, as I am the live proof that our system works. We are in this together, and we are all making a ton of money from this. And here's the best thing. Before you think I'm the only one making this kind of money, as I was the one who actually created it, let me quickly introduce you to some of the paying members.
Hey George, this is Stuart Hall, and I just wanted to say once again thank you for letting me in the club. Your software is currently making me $12,000 per trade, and it's 100% on autopilot. This is like printing money. Joining your club is the best decision I ever made.
Crazy, isn't it? I have never publicly advertised memberships for the Covert Society. Admission has always been strictly by word of mouth, as we keep the club extremely private, and we have very limited amount of spaces. Unfortunately, I realize that the sad truth is, there's a small percentage of people controlling the world and making most of the money, and these secrets are kept as far away as possible from the regular folks like you. And this is something that always bothered me, as I believe everybody should get a chance to change their life. The whole "it takes money to make money" system is just wrong, and I want to do something about this. I am in a position to help, and it should be my duty as a good citizen to do so. This is why I decided to take action and allow a small group of outsiders in. People who normally would never have the financial meaning or the right insider knowledge to be let in, so that I can help spread the wealth. With many years of studying the financial markets, I came to the conclusion that the way they separate the rich from the poor is bad for everybody. Spreading the wealth is something none of these rich people should be worrying about. It helps the economy, and everybody gains from that. So, I want to do something about it. You are one of the few people from outside the high-end circles in the financial world who has the chance to get it, and I will give it to you for free, as long as you keep it for yourself only, so we can keep making money for the years to come. And now, let me just show you a sneak peek to what this secret software is capable of doing. I want to show you some of the members' trading accounts, the very same one you will see running live in front of your eyes inside the private, highly secure server area. You see this? There are earnings of $10,000 to $15,000 in profit per trade made over and over again. We just push one single button once a day and the money comes in. And I can feel people's pain because before developing this system and being a part of this circle, I was once in your same position too. I don't come from money, and I had to work so hard to get where I am right now. I suffered so much, even slept on friends' couches many times throughout my life. Even in my 40s. It sucks not to have money. It sucks not to be able to provide for your family the way you would love to. It sucks that other guys are making so much money just because they were born with a silver spoon in their mouth. I will never forget where I come from, and this is why I feel the need to help other people too. Whilst I cannot share this with the whole world, or else it would simply no longer work for any of us, I can still share it with a few of you and make some people very happy. And very rich. So how much money are we talking about at the click of a single button? Well, look at the last 5 months. You can see how serious this is. Profits come in steadily, month after month. In the last 5 months alone, I've been making between $300,000 to $600,000 per month. And keep in mind, during the whole month of May, I was on a cruise around the world with my family, so I didn't even have an internet connection. This is an average of $500,000 per month. And you've seen with your own eyes how quickly the system compounds a mere $250 and turns it into 5-figure paydays. So yes, as crazy as it sounds, because regular folks are not aware about this kind of stuff, yes, you can be a millionaire within a few months. What are you going to do a few short months from now when you'll be a millionaire? And here's the best part. Not only will you have an almost unlimited amount of cash at your disposal to do anything you want, you'll also have as much free time as you want, as the software will be doing all the work for you. Because you see, when you make money working around the clock, you miss out on spending quality time with your friends and family. It just doesn't make sense to me. What you have today is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, not only to turn into a millionaire overnight, but also to enjoy every single penny you make with your friends and family and live life to the fullest. Want to take a trip around the world in a private jet? Not only are you going to have the money for it, you're also going to have the time. Money and freedom means happiness. Money alone is surely great, but not enough. Today, you are getting both. I'm not trying to lecture you, but I said that because I understand how you feel, as I was once there too. I was struggling to make enough money to get to the end of the month, and then losing every single cent I was making trading in highly corrupted markets. And believe me, I tried them all. This is why you need something different, and today you're getting it. And you're getting it for free because it really works. This system is proven to make as much as $15,500 per trade, and it's been doing that over and over for quite some time. So this is not going to stop anytime soon. My system is so consistent at making this kind of cash that you can see all the members of the Covert Society achieving the same kind of success. Can you see how much money every member is making? Do you see why they happily pay $1,000 per month to be part of the Covert Society? And you are getting in for free, 100% free, forever, no catch. You will never owe me anything. Not a penny on server fees, not a single dime in membership fees, not a cut of your own profits. Nothing. I don't even need any referrals to sell more of the paid memberships. Spaces are already full, and I am only doing this for you, the guy who needs it the most. I don't need any more rich guys paying me $12,000 to access this. I finally have plenty of money, thanks. I am finally rewarded after so much work and getting into so much debt. I will never forget what life was like, the stress of living paycheck to paycheck, not having the money to pay my rent. And that really made me realize the importance of paying it forward in life. This is why I am here today. In the past, I have helped my family members by giving them access to this software. But I wanted to do more than just share the success with my family. I wanted to spread the wealth. I seriously believe in it. They say there is nothing more fulfilling than giving back, and I totally agree with that. At some point, there is only so much money you can make. Once you are financially free and you bought yourself and your family everything you need, it becomes about other people. This is why I decided to open the doors of the Covert Society to a very few people who could have never afforded to get in at the regular $12,000 entry fee. People who weren't in the know, in the right circles. People I never even met in my life but deserve to be given access to my secret software. And you are one of them. I want to share with you my wealth of knowledge, and more importantly, let you in on the most powerful and well-guarded money-making software in history. For free. Yes, free. Money is not an issue, as you've seen with your own eyes that I have plenty. And in case you're thinking, George, this is great. Thank you for giving me this for free, as I would have never been able to afford the $12,000, but I might not have enough money or experience in trading to start right now. Let me show you this again. Let me show you how my software works, how quickly you will build wealth for yourself from absolutely nothing. You can just start with a tiny deposit of $250, just like I did, just like all the other members, and just push one button to get the software started. If you can click one single button once per day, then congratulations, you qualify. Sounds like you will be in the money minutes from now. It doesn't matter if you have little or no money to get started. It doesn't matter if you have never traded in your life. It doesn't matter if you don't have a lot of time to spend at the computer. And as a matter of fact, it doesn't even matter if you're not familiar with trading at all. You could be a seasoned trader or somebody who never even placed a trade in your life. The results will be exactly the same, as the software will take care of everything for you. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need to know anything about trading, and you don't need to learn anything at all. You can still get as much as $46,500 paydays exactly like you're seeing right now. Because the best part is that I fully automated this system for all the Covert Society insiders. So we don't have to do any of the tedious manual work. And best of all, neither do you. All of that was done 100% on autopilot, with just a few clicks of my mouse while I was here talking to you. Amazing, isn't it? And yes, I am prepared to put my time, my effort, and my money to give you a chance to join the right circle of people. The wealthy people circle. You are finally getting the same tools, the same knowledge, the same know-how. You get to become part of that 1% of people making 99% of the money in this world. All for free. Everything is 100% free. I don't want a single cent from you. And I will never ask you for any money from your profits or anything like that, ever. I just don't need it. I make my own money with our software, and tons of it. And I get paid lots of money from other millionaire members to be part of this. As I said before, I don't need your money, and I just want to see you succeed. No catch, no strings attached. You just need to act fast and grab your free membership via the form on this page now. Every single cent is yours to keep. And you can make millions and never owe me anything more than a simple thank you and the promise that you will help me in the quest to spread the wealth, as there really is enough wealth out there for everybody to live life the way it's meant to be lived. Stress-free, worry-free, financially free. I can only allow a small group of people, 10 at the most, to be part of this, as it just would not be fair for the other members. So please, if you're serious about becoming part of that 1% of people making 99% of the money in this world, you need to move fast and get your free access right now, as the free application form won't be there for long. If you miss out now, you will have to wait as much as 6 to 12 months if you're lucky, and pay the regular $12,000 admission fee that everybody else has been paying up to this point. You have nothing to lose, as everything is free. So I really recommend you grab your spot now before it's too late. Once you secure your free spot, you will be immediately redirected to the secret, highly secure Covert Society members area, where you will get free access to the server running our point-and-click software, and step-by-step instructions on how to start making money within the next few minutes. So don't miss out. You have nothing to lose. Click the free registration button on this page now, before the last few spots are taken.